Welcome to Terra Naturals. Feel the nature's touch in every drop. Nature's Touch in 50 grams. Moisturizer for all skin types. Made to order at Terra Naturals. A good moisturizer keeps your skin soft, smooth, and naturally glowing. Terra Naturals Moisturizer Cream is a rich, nourishing blend that deeply hydrates the skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and naturally radiant. The cream is crafted with nourishing ingredients like sweet almond oil, cetyl alcohol, stearic acid, GMS, and preserved with phenoxyethanol, enhanced with a refreshing passion fruit fragrance. The texture of the moisturizer is smooth, lightweight, and non greasy, absorbing easily into the skin to leave it soft, hydrated, and refreshed. Unlock the secrets of natural skincare with our detailed paid tutorial video. One base, many creams. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to make a natural skin nourishing moisturizer cream that can be used as a base cream to craft various creams tailored to different skincare needs. It is also known as demineralized or deionized water. It is purified by removing minerals, salts, and impurities, making it ideal for skincare products as it prevents unwanted reactions and enhances product stability. Vegetable glycerin is a natural moisturizing ingredient that helps the skin soft and hydrated. Oil phase ingredient Olivum 1000 acts as a natural emulsifier, helping to blend oil and water. Cetyl alcohol works as an emollient and thickener, giving a smooth texture. Stearic acid provides structure and firmness to the cream. GMS, glyceryl monostearate, functions as an emulsifier and adds a creamy consistency. The cool phase ingredients phenoxyethanol as a preservative, passion fruit fragrance for a pleasant scent, and essential oil of your choice. Now that I have shared the natural ingredients in this tutorial, you will learn how to blend them into a rich, chemical-free moisturizer cream. Spray a light mist of rubbing alcohol inside the bottles and let it dry. Then fill the cream. Nature's Touch in 50 grams. Moisturizer for all skin types. Made to order at Terra Naturals. Let us check the pH value of our moisturizer cream. To test a moisturizer's pH, take a small amount of the cream, dilute it with a few drops of DM water and check using the pH strip. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds for the color to stabilize. The moisturizer showed a pH of 6, which is close to neutral and suitable for skincare. For a moisturizer, the perfect pH range is 5 to 6, as it matches the skin's natural pH and keeps the skin healthy. If the moisturizer's pH is below 5, it may cause dryness and irritation, while if it is above 6, it may disturb the skin barrier and lead to sensitivity. This versatile cream can be upgraded into various premium formulations. I will be sharing more creams using this moisturizer as a base. Thanks for watching.